Let's go. Just getting everything set up, guys. Welcome. Those that are just joining us right now. Welcome, guys. Welcome. For those of you that are just joining us right now, we're taking a look at a couple pairs. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. (6:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time). It's nice and early. Yeah, so what we're seeing here is strong momentum. Price respected this trend line here, this key level, and now price broke out on this major key level here. If we go down to the 1 hour, you can see that I've highlighted it here. It's a pretty significant level of support. So what we can expect prices, as long as we start seeing rejection within this level, we can expect price to continue further down. Potentially coming down to these lows here. Thing that I'm looking at right now is that it is a key level. So, I mean, I can either take a little bit of a risk and get in on a trade because this is a good entry point right now after strong momentum like this to get in for sales. I mean, it's probably around like there. I don't want to go any. Ideally, the entry would be like probably more at the top here, and then let it melt. Set our targets: 50 pips, 85 pips. Good potential trade there. So GBP odd also looks like a good sell for more potentials to go down further to this key level here, guys. So as I mentioned, I think this is let's take a look here. This is a good level here of significance here, so can expect price to come back down to this level here. And again, this is the 1 hour chart, 4 hours. If we look at price, do you see how price pulled back here? How I mentioned, I was like, you know, if you look at my previous stream, I mentioned this, guys, where price was going to come down right from here, potentially come back down to this level, retrace, and then continue downwards. And you can see here, price did push down. So nice and bearish. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's got another potential to pull back up and continue downwards to this key level here. So, excuse me. So probably to around this level here. And then continue downwards. Yeah, like a 25 pip stop. Even like sitting at 62 pips, something like that. Still good trade. GJ. USD Jpy. Let's take a look at USD Jpy. Everyone's quiet today. What's going on? What's going on? Let's go. 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 GJ. Yeah, it's looking like sells for sure. What we want to just wait for, guys, is a proper entry, and that's what we're getting for GJ. And I'll show you guys what I'm looking at right now. So we saw this strong push, right? Strong momentum. Let's go up to the 4 hours so that you guys can kind of understand what's going on. So overall, the bigger picture, it is ranging. So market is maintaining within this range, just kind of just going, bouncing back between. So there's no breakouts. There's no overall huge shift in the direction of the market. But going down to the 1 hour, let's kind of go take a look here for a sec. Let's take a look, guys. Welcome, those of you that are joining us, guys. We come online every single day, guys. Every single day, Monday to Friday, 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So welcome, guys. Welcome. So where was I? So we saw price reject this key level here at the top of this channel. A range actually, and then price started kind of creating these lower highs. Perfect. So we came to this level again. Trend lines, you know what I mean. I wouldn't bank on them fully, guys, but like, you know what I mean. It gives you an overall idea as to kind of what the direction is for the market, but don't bank on it fully. We always want to look at market structure, which is most crucial, most important, guys. So what we saw here is, and last night before I went to bed, that's why I drew this trend line. I saw that price was going to reject this level, right? Not only that, we saw that bearish sentiment, right? Lower highs, lower lows. And so what happened was when price came down to this level here, and we saw that strong momentum, if we zoom in a little bit closer, we'll be able to actually see that price is retesting this level. So again, remember, this is a zone that I've highlighted, but it's actually retesting this level. If we look at like the third 15 minute, you see that price has actually broken this level of support, like well beyond it, to be honest. It's a level where, I mean, I'd rather take this risk here where it's not too much of a risk. That's why I said let's wait for a better entry, right? Let's wait because price is going to pull back up a little bit more before continuing down further. Now, keep in mind, there's never 100% with trading, right? So it's all about probabilities. What are the chances that price is going to continue going down further? And as you can see, price is pulling back up to our level, which will be a perfect entry, right? Because if I get down here all with my emotions and I'm like, oh, I'm going to get on a sell right now because it's melting. No. Don't go based off of your emotions. You want to hold, wait, be patient on your trade. It's barely 650. Like New York opens at 8 o'clock, right? So just wait, give it time. I'm sure we could probably get in now or in a bit shortly, but it's worth the wait, guys. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Those of you that are just joining us now, welcome, welcome. Welcome to the channel. Comment below in the chat box. Want to hear from you guys. Comment below in the chat box. Love to hear from you guys. Let's go. Let's go. I think I will be like, there's no 100%. Obviously, there's no 100%, but we could see that price is rejecting this level of resistance. So we just got to wait it out a little bit more before we can get into this trade. I mean, we could get into it, and that way we kind of manage our risk. I don't know. I kind of feel like I want to get into it, but let's just give it a little bit more. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. You see, guys? And again, if we go down to the 30-minute, yeah, technically, like, for all we know, it could be a fake out too, right? So we just got to be very careful. Very, very careful, guys, before we get into anything. And that's why I wanted to wait, right? You want to wait for confirmations. Once we see price reject this level here, and we start seeing like a wick rejection, like a heavy wick rejection, then at least we get like a nice entry, and we've got that confirmation that, hey, price is not actually going to continue down further, or confirmation that, hey, price is actually going to go down further. So welcome, guys. Welcome. Those of you that are just joining us, welcome to the channel. Pedro FX here. Let's get this bread. Let's get this bread. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Monday through Friday, guys. I'm always live at 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Take a look at GBP odd. Expecting some sort of a pullback, guys. Once we get some volume, as you guys can see, these trades have panned out exactly how I've predicted. Let's wait for those rejection, guys. Let's wait. Let's wait for price to reject. That's what we want. That's what we want. So GBP US. It's trade melted. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's get this bread and butter. Let's go. All right, guys, looks like it's forming some sort of a double bottom formation here. So on GBP US, we also know that the British pound was weak for so long. You can see that strong push, strong momentum, guys. Look at that. We are also coming to a major key level here. So it's really important to always keep your eye out. And take a look at the overall direction of where the market's going, guys. As you guys can see that these trades that we've taken in the past have gone in our favor. We could see price actually creating some sort of a support here. And so you saw this trade actually pan out perfectly, more than what we expected. Super heavy weakness with GJ. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the channel. Pedro here. Live streams every single day, Monday through Friday, guys, and at 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's go. Welcome, guys. Comment in the chat. Love to hear from you guys. Where are you guys from? Where are you guys from? Let's go. Let's go. Don't be shy, guys. Don't be shy. I'm expecting price to come back up here. Welcome, guys. Comment below. Love to hear from you guys. What trades are you guys looking at? Do you want me to look at something as well, guys? Just let me know. Let me know. 4 hour, we're holding support, which is good. Not only that, the 1 hour is looking like a double bottom formation here. Just gotta wait for a break of these highs before we start looking at buys. Another day, guys. Welcome to my channel. Comment below any pairs you guys want me to look at. Let me know. That way we can take a look at it, guys. Same with Euro USD. Euro USD is looking mad bearish, guys. Again, I think it's because the US dollar is really strong right now. So Euro USD looks like it's reaching a key level here of support, and it's been kind of ranging within this area here. So I'm definitely expecting price to pull back. Definitely expecting price to pull back after exhaust, after like a push like this. This one's Euro USD, guys. I'm expecting some sort of a pullback to this level here. But before it pulls back, I'm expecting some sort of like double bottom, some sort of formation before we can expect to look for buys. Monday morning, everyone's quiet. Comment below, guys. Want to hear from you guys. Where you from? Where you from? Welcome, guys. Welcome. As more and more people are joining our channel, guys, just want to welcome you guys. Don't be shy. This trade also panned out, guys. A lot of our trades that we take here on our channel, guys, do pan out. And the good thing is I explain everything, guys. So if you have any questions or anything, just let me know in the comments below. So this is Euro JPY. Let's take a look at the 4 hours. So we're still kind of within this range. Not really bullish or bearish, to be honest. It's just kind of ranging. I don't really like to trade ranges. Don't really like to trade ranges. 30-minute again. I mean, yeah, I don't know. It's nothing's too convincing here. So US 30, we came to a level. You guys saw Matt predicted the sells. Let's go up to the 4 hour. It's holding support here. So any wait for converter this level. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too here. So this same thing here. Probably some sort of rejection within this level here. Yeah. And so we need price to pull back. Once price pulls back, some sort of a pullback formation here on the 1 hour, and expect a continuation down further. And we'd want to see like heavy rejections as well. Like we want to see some sort of like heavy wick rejections within this level here before continuing down further. Solid sells below 1745. You guys saw the notes there. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Those of you that are just joining us, welcome, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you get notified every single time I'm live. I'm here every single day, Monday through Friday from 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Just gotta wait on gold. Wait for some sort of confirmation here. Let's take a look at USD Jpy. More trades here. USD Jpy. Actually, you know what? You know what, guys? USD Jpy is giving me. Obviously, it's gonna. I feel like it's gonna pull back after like a strong push like this. I feel like price needs to exhaust some sort of like slight pullback, even a slight pullback. I mean, to like at least like kind of like this level here, if not further, but probably not as much. But probably like around up to here or something at least before pushing up higher. Now, one thing I do want to point out is if we go down to the 1 hour, it's looking like some sort of like head and shoulders pattern, right? And let's take a look here. So we've got 1 shoulder, 2 head, 3, and then the right shoulder. Potentially, right? So yeah, so you know what I mean? That's potential here. So right there, and that's the 1 hour. I mean, it is a little bit significant. If it was a 4 hour, we're talking heavy significance here, but the 1 hour is still like a strong indication that, you know what I mean, that price is going to be changing its overall direction. Plus, not only that, on the 4 hour, we could see that it has reached that key level here, guys. So we can start looking and potentially expecting some sells. Welcome, Zen Pip. Welcome, man. Welcome to the channel. Happy to have you, man. If you have any questions, I'm here to help, man. Yeah, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification so you get notified every single time I post a video. Zen Pip 90. What's that, my guy? Let's get this bread. Let's get this bread. Yeah, so that's the outlook kind of like on USD Jpy. I'm still expecting some sort of a pullback, guys. Like, you know what I mean? And then like it looks like on the 1 hour it's forming some sort of head and shoulders. And it just makes sense. Everything's kind of lining up. New clean chart. Nice, man. That's awesome. Yeah, welcome to the channel, man. Like, if you're new, like, feel free to subscribe. Like I said, I post every single day. I go live every single day, 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. I do come on the evenings as well, too. So sometimes I do come in the evenings, but consistently I do come here, and I'm here every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. Any questions you have, feel free to comment below. I've got an awesome community as well. Blessed Traders Academy on Facebook, and I'm going to be creating a Telegram as well, just to communicate easier with everyone, because not everyone really has Facebook. So, but I do have the Facebook group as well too. It's absolutely free to join, and it's really, really cool because we're all a nice community of traders there. USD Jpy, GJ. Let's take a look. Let's go back to GJ, my guy. Yes, we're getting that rejection that we wanted. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Let's go. We're getting the rejection that we want, guys. We're getting that freaking rejection. That's what I wanted. We are getting that rejection, and I think this is a clean entry, guys. I mean, again, I could be wrong, right? Price could pull back up and it just pushes up, right? And the direction is upwards, right? We don't know, right? It could be a fake out. But I think this is a good potential trade here. We've got rejection twice here. You can see here on the 15-minute price came. It's forming some sort of a double top formation here. Even going down on the 1 hour, you can see it's a bearish candle. I believe that will be, yeah, I'm going to be looking at getting in on a sell here. Yeah, absolutely. You can follow me on Instagram. Check my description in the video. You'll see the links to everything. So you'll see the links to my Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok. I usually use Instagram and my Facebook group a lot, so you can follow me on there as well too. And then if, like I said, to be notified every single time I'm online, you can get notified when you subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you get like a notification. Welcome, those of you that are just joining us, guys. Zen Pip, nice to meet you, man. Welcome. Double top formation on GJ. I kind of want to get in, but then I kind of want to wait for New York Open because I don't want it to like freaking, you know what I mean? Then again, you know what? This is where you got to be confident and be like, you know what? I'm gonna take that step and I'm gonna just, you know, not risk it for the biscuit, like hey, rookie language, but risk it for the biscuit and actually go in the trade because we will probably for New York Open we will get that volume. And that volume is what probably most likely is going to push it down further, right? But again, for all I know, too, the way it's looking too, it could be a fake out, right? So you got to be very very careful, right? Because price could be faking out right now, right? For all we know, right? This thing, it's all about probabilities, guys. You always want to manage your risk and know, you know, kind of like knowing your risk and be like, okay, if I'm going to get in this trade, I'm going to risk 20 pips or 25 pips or 30 pips or whatever, right? So when you know your risk and you're like, okay, if you do a full lot, I'm going to lose $200 if this trade does not go in my favor, right? But if I win, right, I'm going to profit $900 because I did 90 pips, right? So it's like, as long as you know your risk, right, and you're not like freaking doing a full lot on a like, you know, small account, then you should be good, guys. Like, you know what I mean? And I mean, I teach this stuff all the time, guys. Like, you know what I mean? I'm always here to help, guys. I always love to give as much value as I can to all my subscribers. I have an eye on GJ for sure. GBP odd looking like for sure, like slightly bearish, but we are looking at a level of support here. So I think we've got a little bit more juice to go down further for GBP odd, at least to this level here of support. Okay, so GJ is looking bearish on the 4 hour. I'm probably going to get on a sell with GJ. Welcome, guys. Those of you guys that are just joining us, welcome to the channel, guys. Let's go. Let's get this bread. Let's get this bread. All right, guys. I am in GJ on sells. I'm just going to set my stop loss, and then I'll keep you guys in the loop. Obviously, again, remember, like, there's no 100%. I'm taking that risk. I know my risk. I'm managing my risk. If price goes against me, it's no problem. I'll just do proper trade management and take away like a certain percentage, right? You don't want to always let it go to your stop loss. And don't ever move your stop loss up. Do not do that. When I first started 6 years ago, I would move my stop loss hoping that price was going to go back down. Don't ever do anything like that, guys. You don't want to be in that position. You know what I mean? You always kind of want to just stick to your trading plan, be disciplined, and it'll just work out, right? So as long as you're disciplined, you stick to your trading plan, you should be fine. Welcome, guys. Those are you that are just joining us. Welcome, welcome. Yo. Good morning. Bands, what's going on, brother? Welcome. Happy to have you, man. Happy to have you. Everyone just joining us, welcome, guys. It's a beautiful, cloudy morning here in Canada. But one thing I want to show you guys as a reminder, all right? Hold on, this is just a complete mess. I want to show you guys this. I don't know if you guys can see it properly. Always have consistency. Know your why. You're almost there. Don't give up. Remember your why. You got this. Consistency gets you results. God first always. It's important, guys, to always have, and right behind me too, to be able to travel. It says, be kind, work hard, stay humble, smile often, be honest, travel everywhere, never stop learning, be thankful, and love always. It's always good to have those reminders. You know what I mean? Always refresh your mind, guys. Every single morning, you know what I mean? Be thankful, you know what I mean? Things might not make sense right now, and that's all good. But your state of mind is also important. You also want to make sure that you're in a good state, you know what I mean? Mentally. That's really important, guys. Thankful every day. You know, I meditate, I pray, I give thanks to God for another day, guys. And just focus. What are my goals? What are my whys? What motivates me to get closer to where I want to be as a trader, as an individual, right? And when you kind of have that mindset, and you're just not like, problem is like a lot of people when they start trading, they're just like in that mindset where it's like, I need to make money, I need to flip quick, I need to get rich quick. And that's not what's going to get you there, guys. You got to have to understand that, because I went through that. I went through that countless times, and I thought, I'm just going to flip this account. I'm going to grab $100 account and flip it to $1,000, $1,500, $2,000 in like 2 days. It's just not, it's not realistic, number one. And you're not having the right mindset, right? You got to have it, treat it as a business. You got to come into trading with an open mentality and be like, okay, if I get in this trade, how can I manage my risk and not lose as much, right? Like, how to explain it? How can I not lose? Yeah, not lose as much, like not protect your capital, in other words, right? That's what you want to do, guys. You want to protect your capital as much as possible, right? So really important. Welcome. For anyone that's just joining us, guys, welcome to the channel. Happy to have you guys. Yeah, this was last night. We were looking at gold sales. You guys saw price melted, guys. I was gonna get into saw the strong bearish sentiment. Price was kind of creating this wedge here. Lower highs, flat bottom. But yeah, still lots of potential to get in. We just gotta wait for price to see what price is gonna do for gold. Anything below, I would say here, we're looking at sells for gold. We just gotta wait for price to break below these. That low. Bands, happy to have you here, bro. So we're looking at GJ today for sure. I already got in on a sell. Obviously, if we look at GJ, like you could potentially think that it's just like a fake out. So it could be a fake out, right? Because price could come down here and then just continue back upwards. But the only reason why I'm just willing to take the risk of actually looking for more sells is because price actually kind of broke this level of support, and we're kind of seeing like this range, right? Typically, and this is on the 1 hour, typically if price is going to pull back up because it's a level of support, like heavy significance, it'll wick like this. Do you see that how price came down and then it just wicked right back up? We're talking a movement of 2 hours, right? Same thing here. Look, 1, 2, boom, back up, right? So that's indicating the significance of that support level or that supply demand level. So to me, when I start seeing confusion here and range, that to me indicates that price is struggling to push higher, right? So obviously, like this is the 1 hour. If we go down to the 30-minute, it just looks so much more clear, right? And to me, this looks like a double top formation. 1, 2, right? Excuse the mess, guys. I'm just gonna remove everything because this is just so messy. I left it all there just to show you guys kind of what, like, past work that we've looked at, but honestly, it doesn't really matter. Let's take a look here. GJ, yeah. So look at this, guys. Like clean, right? We've got strong momentum, right? Basic market structure, strong momentum. We've got price pulling back. We've got a double top forming on the 30-minute. Okay. We go down to the 4-hour. We could see how bearish this candle is. Like, I don't see this candle holding any sort of support yet. We want it to close bearish. Sorry. And then another thing here is this is the main support line. Let's take a look here. Yeah, it's right here. It's about there. So we've got 1, 2, 3. There's a little bit of a fake out. And 4, 5. Let's take a look here. Yeah. Welcome, guys. Those of you that are just joining us, welcome to the channel, guys. Happy to have you guys. I'm here every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, let's take a look here. So yeah, so we've got that, and then not only that, guys. So let's take a look here. We go down to the 1 hour. We got that strong push, right? Price was creating lower highs, and lower lows. And if we look at something here, if we're expecting price to push higher, I'm looking at this level here, and price failed. Price broke below this level of support, these lows. And so right now, like I said, it's just struggling. You can see how it's struggling to go higher, right? You can see that range. If we go down to the 30-minute, you can see what I'm talking about, right? And we just got to wait for volume. But once we have volume, guys, we'll be able to see price potentially melt, to be honest. I'm already in right now. So yeah, I am in profit right now. Live trade. Live account. Welcome, guys. If you're finding this informative, guys, if you find this really helpful, please do me a favor and hit that like button as well. It really helps out the channel, guys. Let's go. Let's go. DJ's looking good. GJ's looking good. We're getting those sells that we want. Obviously, like I said, guys, everything is not 100%, right? Like we don't want to, like, I'm not saying just because price is rejecting this level, it's going to 100% go down, right? We also have to, like, consider the factors, right? Like I said, if we look back in history, look how much candles it took for it to just go back up. Why? Because it was reaching that point of resistance here, and price actually rejected it right away because it was a heavy significant, like it was an area of significance. Look here, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, and then it was already starting to go back up. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, right? And then let's go back here to where price is currently right now, and look how much consolidation there is here. We've got one candle, we've got then a bearish candle, then a bullish candle, then a bearish candle. Price is weak, like it's struggling to go higher, and that's indicating to me that price is going to continue going down bearish. Welcome, guys. Happy to have you. Happy to have you guys. Vans, my guy, what's going on? What's going on? Welcome, welcome. We've got more people joining us. So yeah, I'm already on GJ's sell right now. Like I said, I was telling all the viewers here. So obviously this could be a fake out, but the reason why I was explaining, there's so much consolidation and rejection here. We see that bearish sentiment. We can see price failed to push higher. We are also seeing on the 30-minute a double top formation, lots of range, and then all we really need is just volume to continue pushing lower. What am I looking at for targets in terms of where price could potentially go? No worries, guys. This is easy. So not only are we within a range in the larger picture with GJ, you always want to look at the overall direction of the market. And obviously right now we're ranging, guys. We're heavily ranging right now. We're not really trending. We're not in a trending market right now for GJ. Yeah, like we're really not even in a trending market right now. We're just within this range here, as you guys can see. But yeah, so when you're trading with ranges, we want to look out for breakouts. That's what we want. That's the whole objective of when it's in a range. Price is still undecided as to where it wants to go. If it wants to go bullish, bearish, right? And so what you guys want to look for in the meantime is within these ranges, right? As price is going like this, we're looking for those breakouts, either to the upside or to the downside. Now, you can, like we're doing right now, trade within these ranges. Like, you know, we could go down here to the 1 hour and you can see that price is creating these lower highs, right? So what trend are we in here? We've got a high, we've got a lower high, we've got a lower low, we've got a lower high, we've got a lower low, we've got, right? So what are we doing? We are trending downwards, right? Not only that, we've reached a level of support, heavy support. You guys can see it here, right? And so if price breaks this support, what does that tell me as a trader? This indicates to me that price has so much more potential to go down further, right? And when we see rejections, when we see price break a certain key level, supply, demand, support, resistance, whatever you want to call it, when you see price break this level of significance, because price has previously in the past rejected this zone, this zone, this zone, this zone, whatever, that indicates to us that that significance is irrelevant. So that means that it's not going to hold support, right? That means that this level is not going to hold support because it broke it. So it's irrelevant. It's no longer valid, right? So what does that tell me is that price has the potential to continue down further. In this case for GJ, it has so much more potential to going down further if we see price hold this level of rejection, right? And we are seeing that. Now, like I said, it could be a fake out for all I know, right? Everything's probabilities. I could be wrong. Price could, for all we know, once price opens, right? New York Open, we can see price just wick up, right? We don't know. We also have to look at news too, guys. Always keep an eye on news. So today is Monday, August 22nd. Let's take a look. So no, okay. So we don't have any news, only some GJ news. It's not heavily significant. Flash manufacturing PMI at 8:30. So yeah, so nothing heavily significant. But as you guys can see, like we got that strong push, strong momentum. We've got price pulling back, creating some sort of a double top pattern formation here. So it's rejected price twice. Main key level here. I'm expecting price to continue going down further for sure. Welcome, guys. Those of you guys that are just joining us right now. My name is Pedro, and I do Forex trading. I've been doing it for almost 5 years now. Yeah, 5 years. I've been involved in crypto markets as well. Like we got our house, we were able to pay our house, our down payment for our house actually because of Bitcoin, and I was able to kind of trade Bitcoin. I was also trading an NFT too. That was pretty fun, pretty cool experience as well too, guys. But yeah, guys, welcome to the channel. Happy to have you. I don't have any course to sell you guys. I'm not here to sell any course or anything like that. I have been getting a lot of requests in terms of mentorship and stuff like that. I do have a mentorship program that is more intimate with people that really want to take it to the next level. But that's something different, guys. I'm not here. I'm just here to give you guys value. But yeah, I do have a free Facebook group. And I'm going to be creating a Telegram group because I feel like that's going to be easier to communicate, guys, anyways. But I am going to be creating a free Telegram group shortly. But if you guys have Facebook, feel free to click the link here in the chat box. I do have a free Facebook group with a live community of traders just like yourself. That is super nice to be able to communicate with you guys. Back and forth. I do post there. So if I'm posting, if I'm doing anything, that way you guys are up to date. But the most easiest way to know that I'm online, I'm here every single day, guys, Monday through Friday from 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm here. And I also do come on live as well in the evening sometimes. But if you're wondering in terms of every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. All right, let's take a look, GJ.
I'm making waffles. Wait, I think an ad's coming on.
Little Ranger, with YouTube Premium, there are no ads. Get YouTube Premium.
Form some sort of a wedge if you want, really, but yeah. All right, let's read the comments here. Venkata, hey Venkata, welcome guy, welcome. Nice to have you, man. Can I go buy side? Go to buy? What about gold? I'm not sure what you're trying to say. Just let me know what you're trying to say. Let's take a look here. Emmanuel, I just clicked the like. I'm selling GBP CAD and then 50 pip profit. Awesome, man. That's awesome. Awesome. Happy to have you guys. I really appreciate you guys liking the video. If you are finding it really helpful, it helps me as well, helps the channel. But yeah, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe below, guys, and hit the notification bell. Let's go. GJ's looking like juicy sells, my guys. Juicy sells. But again, I could be wrong. So we just got to wait. We got to wait because it could be a fake out, but I explained to you guys the reason why my bias is that it's got potential to go down further, right? So remember, trading is all about probabilities. If it doesn't go in our favor, that's okay. But as long as you're managing properly, you're fine. Let's take a look at gold. Okay. So remember what I told you guys? Gold, anything below this here, obviously we saw strong sells here last night. I was looking at gold, and as you guys could see, it went in our favor. This was last night. I should have gotten on a sell, but obviously London session was, and you can see my comments here and everything. So anything below this support level, guys, we're gonna start looking at sells for gold. So gold is bearish for me right now, but again, be careful because even then, let's take a look at the higher time frame just to get an idea of the overall direction, guys. Welcome. Those of you that are just joining us, guys. Welcome to the channel. Comment below where you guys are from. Love to hear where you guys are from. Yeah, so it looks like it's not bottoming out yet. It's got potential to go down further. Like I said, I need price to break this low here for continuation to the downside to this level here. If we don't get a break, we might start seeing on like the 30 minutes some sort of like a double bottom. Take a look at this, guys. We've got one bottom here and then here. If we start seeing some kind of like bullish candles formations here, then again we're looking at potentially some buys. Short term, obviously. Let's take a look here. So short term buys, right? Like pulling back, price pulling back to probably this level over here on gold. But as of right now, it's kind of looking a little bit bearish. And so yeah, so if price does start pulling back up and we start seeing some sort of like double bottom formation on the 1 hour 30 minute, then we can expect price to come back to this level here. Before potentially actually continuing down further, right? Potentially, if we see some rejection at this level here too. There's lots of ways to look at the market, guys, and the more and more you get more familiar with the market, the more easier and clearer you're gonna see it, right? So yeah. GJ. So welcome everyone that's just joining us, guys. Happy to have you join us. If you have any charts that you want me to look over, any pairs you want me to look over, let me know. Okay, do you guys remember this one too, guys? This one I told you guys, well, you can see here in the past as well too. Remember I told you that price is going to pull back. If you get impulsively here, on this trade and you get impulsively like, oh, it's selling back, it's going to go back down. Look what happens. Price is starting to pull back up. Excuse me. So what I'm expecting is price to come back. As you can see, I've created this level here. Excuse me. Of support. Of resistance. So what I want to see is within the next, I don't know, hour or so, I want to see price come up to this level here or as close as possible and reject this level here before continuing down further as a sell. Welcome. GBP US, we've got a double bottom forming, but it looks like it's gonna break it. So if we see any breaks here, if we see price break this low, then it sells. It invalidates it. It's not gonna hold support. Yeah, it doesn't. Oh yeah. So we're actually gonna potentially on GBP US, we're gonna see some actually. It's gonna break this level of support, guys. Wow, it's a good sell. GBP US, good sell. Not yet though. We gotta wait for a proper entry. But yeah, look, this is heavily bearish. This is on the daily. 4 hour looks super bearish. Wow, after a strong push like that. Welcome, guys. Those of you that are just joining us, welcome to the channel. I'm here every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please like this video if you're finding it helpful and informative. I really appreciate it, guys. It does help the channel. It also lets me know that you guys are enjoying these videos. Any pairs you guys want me to look at? GBP US is looking mad bearish. This is good. British pound is weak. So trade's going pretty good. Yeah. Just gotta wait it out. All right, so let's take a look at USD Jpy. Yeah, so I feel like it's creating some sort of head and shoulders pattern on the 1 hour. Oh, so we just gotta wait for it to kind of fully form. We can start looking at another potential good sell opportunity for this trade as well. GBP odd. Let's take a look here at the 30-minute. So yeah, it's like GBP odd's super bearish right now. And again, I think it's just the British pound is just bearish. It's not holding support here. GJ. Welcome, guys. Those of you that are just joining us, welcome to the channel. Is there any pairs you guys want me to look at, guys? I will be leaving shortly. Any pairs you guys want me to go over, just let me know in the comments below. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. We got the sells, guys, for gold. Just gotta wait for price to actually close. So it'll probably wick back. There we go. Gold. Okay, yeah. So what we're waiting for, guys, with gold is we want to wait for price to close on the higher time frames. Once we have price close on this on the 1 hour or the 4 hour, then we can expect price to continue down further. I just want to wait for confirmation. But we did get that break, which is good. We got this break here, previous low. But for all I know, it could be a fake out and it could continue to go higher. So let's wait for this candle here on the 1 hour. This candle here on the 1 hour to close bearish. This one right here. Once we see this candle break, like let's say, close bearish below this low, then we're good. So we just gotta wait for it to close, guys. It just gives us that extra confirmation. We always want to be smart when we get in our trades, guys. We don't want to just get in impulsively, right? We want to be smart, right? Like that's how you do proper risk management, right? You just kind of don't get in impulsively, right? We want to take things step by step. Stick to your plan. Stick to your plan. Be disciplined. Trading requires a lot of discipline. I know when I first started, man, like no discipline. Like when you don't have discipline, you just want to get in and you just want to make trades and get trades and profit and you know what I mean? Like that's cool and all, but like that's how you're not going to see results, right? You don't want to be in that position, right? Yuksan, welcome to the channel, my guy. Welcome. USD Jpy. And again, remember, guys, nothing's perfect, so it won't always look like perfect, right? Like this head and shoulders, like for all we know, price doesn't have to go all the way up to where I put this level here, right? For all we know, price could literally just like come to this level here, probably retest these highs, and that's it. Probably even here too, right? So for all we know, we could start seeing price kind of go down further. But might come up to this level here, so we just gotta wait it out. Welcome, guys. Welcome everyone that's just joining us right now. My name is Pedro, and I do trading. Welcome to my channel. I'm here every single day, Monday through Friday at 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm here to help you guys. I try to provide as much value as I can, guys. Comment below where you're from. Love to hear from you guys. I'm actually curious. And we're looking at some potential trades here. So let's take a look at 1 hour. Yeah, it's still kind of like ranging. GBP US. See, that's why it's important to wait for confirmation, right? You think, oh crap, it's melting, that's it. No, nope. Always wait for confirmation, guys. See, now it's forming some sort of a double bottom within a double bottom. Guys, hit that like if you're finding this informative and helpful in any way. I really appreciate it, guys. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification. Also, comment below if you want me to go over any charts, guys. I'd be more than happy to do so. Go over some charts with you guys. You guys can see my notes. You guys saw that price broke this. We were predicting price to go down further. Now price has come to this key level here of support. So we're expecting price to potentially come back up and retest these levels. And right now, it's, to be honest, Euro USD is some sort of a larger range. Yeah, so it's within a larger range here, guys. It's not really trending upwards or downwards. So we're expecting some sort of a breakout. Just gotta wait it out, right? In the meantime, we can trade the range back and forth, right? So that's pretty cool. We're expecting some sort of a pullback, so buys for Euro USD, guys. This is what we're looking at right now within this range. Euro USD, we're waiting to see some sort of like a double bottom formation, triple bottom, some sort of pattern that's indicating us that price is changing its overall sentiment. Once we see price break these lows over here, we can start looking for buy setups. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Those of you that are just joining us, welcome to the channel. Happy to have you guys. Euro JPY. This trade went pretty well as well. We're just ranging as well. This pair is just ranging right now. Gold's looking like it's going in our favor. I just want to not getting it impulsively. Yeah. Yeah, we're close, guys. We're close on gold sells. We're really darn close. I want to take it. I just don't want any, like, I don't want it to whip me out or something. Because gold's got a mind of its own, right? So you just got to be very careful. Very like, with trading, guys, you got, like I said, it's a lot. It's all in here, right? You want to make sure that you're not getting into it impulsively. Just take your time, breathe, look at it as a business. You know what I mean? You're coming in, get your money, get out, right? You don't want to just get in impulsively or expect to get rich quick or expect to flip an account all of a sudden and, you know what I mean, grab $100 and flip it over to like 10 grand. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. The way I like it is it has so much potential. Like with trading, you can completely change your life, but it takes patience, it takes consistency, and it takes time, guys. So, is it doable? Absolutely. Absolutely. For example, our home, thankfully, because of like trading as a whole and because I got into cryptocurrency as well, guys, we got involved in Bitcoin. We've been involved in Bitcoin since 2016. 2016, right? We were able to pay this house, the down payment for this house, a portion of it through Bitcoin. Also NFTs. I got into that as well. I purchased NFTs and I remember buying one for $500 and I was able to flip it for $10,000. Yeah. So obviously, you know, NFTs are crazy and stuff like that. It's a little bit different. It's not trading. That's why I like trading, because it's more consistent, right? It's something a little bit different. Yeah, it's just different. Trading, you can actually build a living off of, I mean, you could with NFTs, but it's just too risky. It's too, you know what I mean? But with trading, you can actually establish, you know what I mean, an income. You can establish a living off of it, right? Is it going to be steady? No, of course not. Like, you know what I mean? It's like doing in sales, right? Like you're going to go like this. 1 month you're going to be good. The other month, you know what I mean? But as long as you kind of maintain that straight line in your trades, you know, you got a loss. That's okay. Next day, you know what I mean? And just kind of maintain that steady trend. You're going to be fine. All right, guys, this is it. This is why I told you guys, let's wait for gold. Let's wait. Look, it's pulling back, right? That's why I didn't want to get in. All right, GJ. See, remember I told you guys that GJ had a potential of also pushing upwards right at New York Open. Remember I told you guys that? Well, there it is. Yeah, gold is not. Yeah, like we could see that the rejection on gold, like we got that rejection there, and it's not what we wanted, guys. So that's why That's good that we didn't get in on gold. GBP odd. Yeah, it's looking like GBP is getting that bullish momentum, but we might get these rejections soon. So just gotta wait it out. As long as GBP, any GBP pair does, or in this case GBP US JPY doesn't break this high, we're fine. Yeah, just ride it out, guys. Ride it out. If you guys are there, ride it out. No emotions. Guys, comment below. Love to hear from you guys. Are you guys finding these videos helpful? Please let me know if you find these videos very helpful. That way it kind of motivates me to keep pushing further and make more content for you guys. I'm obviously going to be here, but I just want to like know, like, you know what I mean? That way, like, I know, and I just can create more content for you guys. Okay. So slight indecision candle on the 1 hour close, but it's still like bearish. So, and then we close below. So that's, I mean, that's good. We just got to wait for price to start pushing down further if that's the case. Either way, proper risk management. Make sure you manage your risk, guys. That's the most important thing. And if we do see price, push, sorry, to the upside, then we take partial profits. I mean, partial sort of manage your risk. Gold's not looking too good. I don't have an entry point yet on gold. Okay, so it looks like for USD JPY, guys, let's keep an eye out for USD JPY. We could see that price has come here and it failed to go higher, and this right here could form some sort of like a slight little double top before continuing down further. I guess we just gotta wait for gold to close below here for actual sells, because it's still just not giving me the confidence I want. This is gold, 15-minute, 30-minute. Yeah, so 30 minutes looking bearish. You just gotta wait though. This gold's tricky. It might wick us out. Welcome guys. I see a lot of people starting to join us as they're coming in. Welcome to the channel, guys. I'm here every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Comment below, guys, in the chat box. Love to hear from you guys. nice sells. We are getting that rejection on GBP, JPY. That's what we want, guys. We just got to wait it out. Wait for confirmation. It looks like it wants to break higher. Remember, I told you guys that New York Open, we might see that push back up. Could be a fake out. So we just got to wait it out. Gold's looking like good sells. We have broken below. Yeah. All right, guys. I will catch you guys later. Thank you so much for joining us today. I am here every single day, Monday through Friday at 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Look forward to helping you guys out. Tomorrow, I might be in later today. I might come on. So just make sure to subscribe below. Hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time I post. Thank you so much for joining us, guys. And make sure you watch my other videos as well, guys. I got lots of other videos, and you can see kind of like the trades we've taken on these live streams and how we've been able to profit as well, too. So thank you so much, guys, and I will catch you until next time.